Hello everyone, the topic is tort law. So in this video, we will discuss exclusively the sources of tort law in respect of common law versus statute law. Okay. So basically what is the purpose of this heading, sources of tort law? Why we need to study? In order to understand the integrity of the concept of tort, that is civil wrong, we have to understand how and why it is evolved. Of course, the purpose we will discuss in detail while discussing the purpose of tort law, that is in order to protect someone's right, interest. Such kind of law is essentially required, otherwise anyone can violate your right. And we will see all these points in detail while discussing the purpose of tort law. Now here we focus on the source. So how the tort law evolved? Well, either it is evolved through precedent, that is case law, or it is a codified law, means that is the law codified, legislated and then implemented. But in this case, here we will see that the tort law largely evolved through the practices, that is through the precedents. So it is common law system. Okay, so let's check it out. The tort law is essentially the result of common law, in the sense that the tort provisions are evolved through the judicial decisions or case laws, and essentially not through the parliament legislation. As we have discussed, it is not codified, so it is not essentially through the parliamentary legislation. Primarily, the purpose of the tort law was to enforce rights and duties hand in hand. Of course, so if you are given certain rights, then also given certain duties to respect others' right. In India, the tort law came through the England. Of course, we know most of the laws that we have today, that is either made by the British themselves or we taken from them. In India, tort law is still practiced as uncodified law, as it is not codified till now. However, over period in time, certain tort law are being codified. For example, the Motor Vehicle Act of 1988 and the Consumer Protection Act 1986. And we are on the way that trying to codify all further such laws. Okay, so this is how the concept of tort law evolved and came all the way from England to India. Okay, so this is all for this video. I believe you enjoyed because this is short video and you understood all these points. So see you in next video.